Dear Cheri, do I need to decarb wax, shatter, or hash oils and other cannabis concentrates before using them in edibles? That's a great question. Before I get to the answer, just want to remind everybody, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. Okay, the question is, do you need to decarb hash oils, wax, shatter, butter, etc.? Butter meaning B-U-D-D-E-R. The answer to that is yes. The decarboxylation is not part of the process of making these products, so you do need to decarboxylate them. And there'll be a link in the comments below if you don't know what decarboxylation is. It'll teach you what it is, how to do it, and why you need it. But yes, for wax and shatter and the like, you are going to want to decarb them. And one kind of good rule of thumb in general with cannabis products, if you're not sure if they need decarbing or not, assuming that you're working with lab-tested cannabis products, you can look on the label. And if there's a lot of THCA as opposed to THC, yes, you will want to decarb that so you can convert the THCA into THC. So when you're working with concentrates, it's usually just a little bit of an amount. So how do you go about decarbing that small amount? Well, I like to put it in a small silicone bowl like that, and then put that in a ramekin or oven-proof dish, and into the oven it goes. Or if you're using my favorite gadget, the ARDENT FX or the ARDENT Nova, you can also use this silicone bowl, or you could use a little glass jar. Put that in there, hit the decarb button, and you are good to go. Again, there'll be links in the comments below to more information about decarboxylation. There'll also be a coupon code if you want one of these gadgets that'll get you 30 bucks off. So be sure to check out the comments. Hope this helps. Eat your weed.